Are you thinking of selling cars in Florida? Whether it's used, new, or even salvage, getting your Florida motor vehicle dealer license can feel like navigating a jungle. But I'm here to break it down step by step, so you know exactly what to do. Step 1 is simple but critical. Attend a pre-licensing dealer training class. Only approved DHSMV dealer schools can issue the certificate you'll need for your application. The certificate is valid for 6 months, so don't wait too long to submit your application. Visit theace.com for more information. Next, determine your business structure. Are you a corporation, LLC, partnership, or a sole proprietor? This matters because DHSMV requires proof of registration with the Florida Division of Corporations, and each structure has its own documents. Go to sunbiz.org to register your business or DBA before moving forward. Step 3. Get your Federal Employee Identification Number, FEIN, from the IRS. This identifies your business for tax purposes. Sole proprietors with no employees or partnerships can use their Social Security number and affidavit instead. It's free and quick at irs.gov. Now it gets interesting. Your business location must meet strict DHSMV requirements. You need an office that measures 100 plus square feet, permanent structure, and no home offices. A separate entrance with signage visible from the road. Also, a display space for vehicles, contiguous to office, parking for customers and staff, as well as contact info posted and hours visible on doors. Contact your local DHSMV compliance examiner to inspect and approve your location. Trust me, trying to skip this step will only slow you down. All Florida dealers need a sales tax number. Apply at floridarevenue.com or contact your local Department of Revenue office. Without it, your license application won't be processed. Step 6. Garage liability insurance. Required for most dealers except salvage. You'll need at least $25,000 combined single limit coverage for bodily injury and property damage. Independent dealers, auction dealers, and salvage dealers should contact All American Bonds and Insurance for fast quotes. Step 7. $25,000 surety bond. Original bond required with your application. The bond must match your business name exactly, and if you're a sole proprietor or partnership, include the owner's names. You can also submit an irrevocable letter of credit instead of a bond. Step 8. Install a sign at your location with days and hours visible from the road. Then, complete electronic fingerprinting for all officers through an FDLE-approved provider. Fingerprints are required for your application. Step 9. Submit Form 86056 with all required documents. Application fee is $300 for a used dealer. Once you submit everything, the DHSMV reviews it, and if approved, congratulations. You're a licensed Florida dealer. Getting your Florida dealer license might seem like a lot, but if you follow these step-by-step instructions, it's completely doable. For insurance, bonds, and a faster process, check out All American Bonds and Insurance at quickerbonds.com. The link is in our bio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car dealer licensing tips, and check out the link below for our Florida dealer training courses.